Sunday and it is the 1st of October. We've made it into October, I don't believe it. We have been beaten by the Dordogne, I must say. It is still 30 degrees down there, and we spent the whole of yesterday just chilling out, relaxing by the pool, not doing much, and having a really relaxing last day before we do a mega drive north. We are hitting the road today and we are in for a bit of a long one because we are heading home towards the ferry. It's that time, I'm afraid. We've actually stayed a little bit longer than we were intending. So we'll see how far we get today. It's as and when Bernie gets tired and has had enough. So dependent on how far we get is dependent on what campsite we arrive at. I think we're actually aiming for going back to the little Municipal on the river that we just spent one night at last time, and it has some cycling routes, so maybe we'll get that far today. It's a bit of a trek, but we'll see. Wherever we end up, we'll see you when we get there. So we did make it to our little municipal campsite in Mesac yesterday. Bernie did some fantastic driving and it was a really lovely drive because it was a Sunday, so it was nice and quiet. It's another beautiful, glorious day. So we are going to go and head out on the bikes today and check out the green route along the river that we weren't able to check out last time we were here. So let's go. Are you ready, Birdo? Oh yeah, he's ready. Oh no! He's got a sweaty hat. Right, let's go. Out of the campsite. Turn left. This way. And I don't need a map today, Bernard. I think I can manage this one. I think this may be Bernard's kind of cycle ride. And we have set off early this morning because it's supposed to be another gloriously hot day, so we're doing it early. You can hear the bird. Oh look, it's a little church. Looks like it's locked up now. It's a little mini chapel. That's quite cute. Is it locked, Bernie? Go have a look.
In case you need a little prayer while you're going along.
Oh, is that what it is? Oh, it is still a proper chapel, look. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, glorious sunshine as well. It's getting hot already, Bernard.
Yes. The jacket will be coming off shortly.
Is it the 2nd of October today?
Yeah, Monday, isn't it?
Yeah, 2nd of October, and it's boiling. Crazy. Right, let's crack on. That is quite a big river, isn't it? Look at that.
It's a haulage river.
Yeah, it's wide. Oh, under the chestnut tree. Hey, Birdo. Well, it is absolutely beautiful along here. Let's keep going. Oh, I think it's a weir. I can hear water running. There's a weir ahead. Let's go and have a look. I was right, it is a weir. But then you have a lock. And I do love French locks. They do make them look extremely pretty with the lockkeeper's house. Nothing in it. Look, they even roll up the ropes all beautifully. Look at that. Hey, Berno. Give us a wave. There's the lockkeeper's cottage. Oh, look at that lovely weeping willow. This is why I absolutely love France. Look at this. So, étape du randonneur. So, a randonneur's walkers, and étape means like space. So basically, there's a little sign here, and it says, walkers, this train is free. Use it to take your rest, or just get your breath back for a night, and just treat it properly. And it's amazing, isn't it? Look at that. There's a table, there's little chairs, there's a little barbecue pit, and then there's a little hut with little bits and bobs in. There's a washing up sink. There you go. And all they're asking for is for you to give a little donation. That's it. Isn't that great? Little seatings. There's a, if it gets hot, there's a little umbrella. Love it. Absolutely love it. It's so cute. Bloody love France.
Get a tent.
Yeah, get a tent. We're going to stay here for the night for free. There goes Bernard. Absolutely gorgeous today. We have not seen another single person. It's like Bernie said, it's because it's October now. Not many people about. All the summer holidays are over. So we've got these cycle routes all to ourselves. And look at that view. Oh, big rocks. Big rocks ahead. Oh yeah, danger, falling rock sign. Be aware. Yeah. Alright, I'm cheating. No apologies, I'm old. Big bridge. Under the bridge. Whee! Out the other side. Awesome. Oh, it's just lovely. Bernard buzzing me. Oh, look at this. What a lovely ride. This would be a nice ride in the summer actually, because it's quite shaded. All the trees are over the path, so that's lovely. So if it's too hot, you'd be alright on this ride. Up the hill. I'm not cheating, Bernard. Let's get my legs going. There we go. Right, we're on the lookout for maybe for a bench for lunch now. I think it's about lunchtime for us. In fact, it's quite late. Well, what a fantastic Riverside bicycle ride. This is Bernie's kind of ride, isn't it, Berno? Flat, calm. Oh, coming up to a big bridge. Very, very wide expanse. It gets wider and wider. We are at Port de Roche.
Have you seen the lunch spot?
No. It's the one. Oh, goody. Let's go. Let's go find it. Oh, underneath the little thing there. Oh, yeah. Tables. Right, so we have found our little spot for lunch. We found our table. Here we go. Right, let's get my sandwiches out, Bernard. Cycle, cycle, cycle. One sandwich. Don't you smell at me? Oh, lovely. I can't get in it. Was that a good lunch, Bernard? Do you want to know what else I've got in my bag? Chocolate. Would you like some chocolate, Bernard, as a dessert? No. Are you nuts? It's got nuts in it. I'm gonna have some. I even put in the freezer block in my bag so it didn't melt. Very good. Right, lunchtime over, Bernard. Let's go. And we're back on the cycle path. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. It's getting cloudy. And we'll head back. It's turning a bit chilly. Once that sun goes in, the temperature drops quite quickly. Not because of the time of year, really. Calling it. On the road. On the road, on the right. Oh look, we just call it and then the sun comes back out. Very pretty. Back along the river. This run back is absolutely stunning. Absolutely beautiful along this part of the river. Look at that beautiful view. France in October. Oi, cheater!